Hey, welcome to How It's Designed, and in this YouTube tutorial, we are going to do a basic drop test simulation. In this scenario, we are going to have a plastic half of an enclosure of a dev board that is simply going to be dropped from a few feet in the air to see the distribution and forces when it hits the ground. So let's go and get started. We have our Solidworks simulation tab open. We're going to go to new study. We're going to go down to drop test. And for this ABS plastic tray, our ideal scenario is it just drops completely flat, normal to the ground using standard gravity to then see the von Mises stresses in the end. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the setup, and we're going to specify from drop height, lowest point. I'm going to switch over to inches. We'll do about 42 inches, close to 4 feet. Now we're going to select which way the gravity force is acting. So we're going to select the edge in the Z direction. We're going to select our inches per second target. We're going to do normal to gravity. We can just leave that as is. And we're going to do a dampness of 0.6. That should be good. Now we're going to go to result options. Solution time after impact. This is the time from the instant it hits the ground to whenever it's finished bouncing around, basically. And as it's striking the ground and going through its impact process to when it's finished, it'll record different plots so you can see the forces at each instant in time. So we're going to set this to 16. Go ahead and mesh it. And we'll run it. All right, so after that runs, check out the von Mises stresses. And go ahead and change some of the options here. So you can see this is the final plot 16 at the last instance in time. We can go ahead and animate it if we want. So you get to see the ripples in the loads as it hits the ground and the instant that it's having in the process over time which it's having the impact and settling back to 0. And with this plot, you can go back at any instant and see the load distribution. You can see the red peaks and the highest forces, stresses rather. So that's the first plot as it's hitting flat on the surface initially. You can see concentrations of stress around the edges, and then by the time it's done, it settles like this. Very useful tool in doing hardware electronics testing for, gadgets, consumer electronics products that use plastic enclosures. And I think that's about it for the drop test. It's pretty easy to set up. Of course, there's many other things to cover, so comment below what other simulations you'd like to see next, and definitely subscribe to the channel for future SolidWorks tutorials. We'll see you next time.